Hi, I'm Jordan from Stafford Motor Match, and this is the Volkswagen Tiguan BlueMotion Tech Match Edition. It is a 2-litre diesel manual that has only had 3 previous owners. Now, the exterior of this car really is something special. It comes with the 18-inch Sierra alloy wheels, so it complements the grey exterior amazingly, as well as the chrome roof rails and chrome window surrounds. All the little details of the car truly stand out. Now, the space in the boot of this car is that much more fantastic. Lifting up with the button, it easily opens to reveal this vast amount of space. If you've got large items like suitcases or anything like that, you can easily fit it in the back. And with the rear folding seats, this means the rear seats will fold forward to create an extended boot to give you that more room option. Lifting up the underboot storage, you've also got an area for a spare tyre, as well as any other accessories that you may need in case of an emergency, and it doesn't ruin the overall look of the car as it is neatly hidden away. Going into the rear seats now, you'll be able to see you've got this half cloth, half suede finish on the seats, giving off that luxurious look while also being amazingly comfortable. And I can tell you firsthand, these seats are a joy to sit on. The rear seats also come with fixed points, so if you need to attach child seats, you have got that option, and it will also give you peace of mind that they'll be safe and secure while doing so. Onto the passenger side, you've got this chrome trim that runs along the door panelling, and also the grey surrounds on the centre console and the fans. Just like in the rear seats, you have got the half cloth, half suede finish on the upholstery, bringing all the details of the interior together to make it that much more eye-catching. On the driver's side, you've got that chrome trim again. Now, getting into the car, you've got a driver's display, which shows that this car has only done 37,101 miles, so there's plenty of miles left for this car to do. You've also got the multifunction steering wheel where you can control different aspects of the car all from one place. Down here, you've got your electronic parking brake, as well as stop-start button, as well as park assist. Now, park assist really is fantastic. The car will park itself. All you have to do is control the brake and the accelerator, making sure that you can get into spaces easily if you're not too confident on parking. Now, your dual climate control is also another great high-tech feature, as I can adjust one side without affecting the other side. You can see how easy it is to control the different buttons and dials to suit it to my specific needs. Going on to your touchscreen display now, you have got radio as well as media, phone, navigation, and then your app Connect. Now, it's a touchscreen, so I can use my finger to go through the different settings, or I can use the dial down here. Here is your telephone connection, which means you can connect your phone to the car via Bluetooth to receive or make calls, as well as listen to your own music. You can also do all of this without even having to take your hands off the steering wheel. Now, going on to navigation, you can see how quickly that came up, and it is super responsive. So if you need to find out where you are quickly, you will have no problem at all using this screen. Now, you can also use your finger to scroll through the different settings, as well as move the map. When the car is put into reverse, front and rear parking sensors come up. This is great for keeping the car that much more safe when manoeuvring and reversing. This car also comes with 2 keys as well as service history, so you know the previous owner is taking fantastic care of this car, and with the 2 keys, it doesn't limit the amount of access to only one person. That was the Volkswagen Tiguan BlueMotion Tech Match Edition that is now available at Stafford Motor Match. If you like the look of this car and you'd like to find out a little bit more, then you can give us a call on 01785 218 297.